Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing July's Boxycharm. I am going to be using all of the products in the Boxycharm and I'll also be reviewing it. Yeah, it's going to be a very short intro. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I post new videos every Thursday, or at least I try to. If you want to know what's in July's Boxycharm and what I think about the products, then please continue watching. So I just opened up the Boxycharm and I've got all of the details for each of the products in this little booklet. Let's see what we have. We have the Wander Beauty Volume and Curl Mascara, the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blush, the CrownBrush Pro Eyeshadow Palette. So far all I have on my face is just a moisturizer. I wasn't sure what was in this month's box and I didn't want to apply more than just my moisturizer and accidentally skip a step. I guess we can start with the Dr. Brandt Eye Depuffing Gel. I'll just read what it says and then we'll go into using it. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. This actually sells for $42. I feel so tired, so I could really use this on my under eye. So I just put just a little bit on my ring finger. Going to dab it with the other and apply it to my under eye. I'm just going to dab it so I don't pull at my skin. I love the texture of it. It's a bit of a thicker consistency, but I mean, it's smoothing out on my face really nicely. Feels more like a primer. It's really weird. Okay, so I've applied it. It dries down really nicely. Yeah, like this eye is completely dry. It's very soft. I like the way it feels. Wow. Honestly, Dr. Brandt can do no wrong. I love all of their products. Okay. I like it. I like it. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyes and I'm using the CrownBrush palette. I'm just going to prime my eyes off of camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and my eyelids are primed. So this is what it looks like. I really like it. It's sleek. Let's read what it says. Made up of rich, warm tone shades, this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam goals. And this retails for $29.99. So here's the palette. Opening it up. Yeah, they're very nice shades. I'm actually going to swatch them to show you what it looks like and then I'll apply them to the eye. So first I'll go into these 3. So they are quite pigmented. I really like this shade. This shade stands out the most. But that white shade is really nice. So I'll just be jumping into these 2. Just gonna be putting it right beside those 2, those 3. Oh wow. So these are the 2 shades I just finished swatching. These 2 are very, very similar, but this one's a little bit darker. And I really like this matte shade. So far, so good. The colors are quite pigmented. So next I'll be swatching these 3 shades. Wow. I really do like this palette. These are very, very pigmented. All the shimmer shades look quite similar. dipping into the last two shades. 1, 2. Okay, here we are. This was the whole palette. They're nice. I actually do really like the shades. They're pigmented and there's not a lot of fallout, but we'll see how that goes once you use a brush, because when you use a brush is a lot different. First I'll be going into this shade as a transition shade. Next I'll be going into the color underneath the one I just used. So yeah, there isn't a lot of fallout. There isn't any fallout actually, so that's good. Next I'll go into this brown over here. I'm just taking a packing brush. I am going to be going into, which shade? Catch a tiger about it too. If he hollers, let him go. Okay, so I'm going to the shade. The only way to determine things is by doing any, mini, miny, mo. We all know that. Wow. So that's very nice. It really is. Next, I'll go into the deeper shade over here and just to darken out the corners. I've got one eye done. I'm going to finish the other off of camera and I'll be right back with my thoughts. I'm back and I finished the other eye, and I have also added a wing liner to my eye. I'm just going to go into this white shade now and highlight the corner of my eye. And I'm also going to highlight the brow bone with this as well. It's not bad. This palette is not a loss. It's actually pretty good. I'm going to finish my eyes just a little bit. I just got to move on to my face. When I was off camera completing the other eye, I also just filled in my brows a little bit, but I do want to finish my brows right now. I'm going to use the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Let me just read this. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your brows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. And this retails for $26 on its own. So the product is in this tiny little thing and the brush is just on the other end. This just kind of attaches to it. And then there's the lid that goes on top of the brush. Let's see, all right? This is so weird. So I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. Okay, well that's not bad. I mean, let me just go over my brows just because I didn't know if I would like it, so I kind of just filled my brows in a bit. Let's see how this does. The brush is really thick, so it's a little bit harder to work with. But, I mean, I didn't really like shape my brows when I did them. I kind of just filled them in, so that's what I'm doing right now. I like it. It's okay. It's good. It's good. Since there wasn't a face primer, foundation, concealer, setting powder, or bronzer in the Boxycharm, I am going to do that off of camera. I just figured I might as well just make this an unboxing and a review. So I'll just do all of that off of camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and most of my face is done. We only have 2 more products left to use. So I'm gonna just finish the eyes. And right now I'm gonna be using the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It says, this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. Literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. And this is $24. I am not going to be using falsies, just so you can see what it looks like. I definitely notice it lengthening. I just keep adding more to add a bit more volume, but I mean, this looks really nice. It's not bad, not bad at all, guys. So now I'm just gonna finish my bottom lash line. My eyes are done, and for the last product, it is the blush. So it's the Note Cosmetics blush in Desert Note, which is really cute, actually. I really like that shade. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous, paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. Oh, cool. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. Oh, it's not the best brush. I'm kind of debating on even using it because I don't want to destroy my face with this freaking brush. But whatever, I'm gonna use the brush. Okay, I can't fucking do this. I'm not using that brush. I'm gonna use my Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. Honestly, it's very hard to control and I'm not about to deal with that. It's not bad, actually. I like this color. I really, really like this shade. I like this. I really like this. I love this shade. It's really cute. I'm never gonna use that brush though, but I like this. I like this blush a lot. I am just going to finish the rest of my face off of camera, and I'll be right back to give you my final review on all of the products. I'm back and I finished my face, so I'm just going to give you a quick review on everything that I used. I guess we'll start with what we did first. So first I'm going to talk about the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Puffing Gel. I really like this. I love that it was so smooth on my skin after I applied it, and I felt the tightening of my eye, like of my my under eye. I like that it has like some color correcting in it as well. That's why it's a bit of an orange, to get rid of the darker circles. I mean, I think it worked. I love the way it felt on my skin. I loved how smooth it was. This I am going to continue to use 100% without a doubt. I might even, once this finishes, I'll definitely be purchasing another. So next I'm going to talk about the CrownBrush's eyeshadow palette. I like the colors, I do. I just wish there were some names. It just looks very simple when you open it up. I wish the mirror was a little bit bigger. I mean, when I swatched these three colors, they looked very, very, very similar. I couldn't really tell the difference between them. But maybe it was just the way the lighting was hitting it. Other than that though, like, it blended out very nicely. They were very, very pigmented. I love that there was no fallout. It made applying the eyeshadow so much easier. Usually I would have to grab like a makeup wipe and get rid of the products underneath my eyes to wipe away all of the fallout, and I didn't have to do that with this, which is awesome. So I mean, I'm definitely going to continue to use this. It's a very cute palette. Next I'm going to talk about the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Not a favorite. It's not that I didn't like it, it's just definitely not a favorite. The product is in this little thing, so you gotta take that out, remove that, and then dip it in. I mean, I'm going to continue to use it just because why not? But once it finishes, I probably wouldn't buy another one. It's not something that I would see myself buying in the future. It's just like, it's pretty good. It's just, it doesn't wow me. Like, I love Anastasia Beverly Hills, the pomade. I love the Benefit products for your eyebrows, like the brow and the Gimme Brow and the pencils. It's just, I don't like this that much. I'll still use it, don't get me wrong, I'll still use it. I'm not gonna go buy another one. Next, I'm gonna talk about the Wander Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. I actually really love this product. It was volumizing, it was lengthening. I love, it does give my lashes a bit of a curl, which is nice. I will continue to use this. Whether or not I'll buy it after, I don't think so, because I actually, like, I do have favorites. Like, I love my Benefit Roller Lash, my Lash Paradise mascara. It's just there are other ones that I like a lot more than I like this one, so I don't think that I'd be purchasing this after I use it up, but I will continue to use this. Last but not least, the Note Cosmetics Desert Rose Blush. I love the shade of this blush. I think it's really, really cute. I tossed the brush out. It's gone. I'm never going to use it. No point in having it in there. The brush is this shitty. It's just shitty. But I love this shade. I love how it turned out on my face. Love it. I do really, really like it. It was easy to blend out. I will continue to use this. You never know. I might pick up a few more shades. I forgot to mention earlier that the blush came out to $11.99 if you're purchasing it on its own. So in total, the box this month came out to $133.98. That's not bad. I spent 30 bucks on this box. I liked most of the products. The only product that I wasn't too fond of was the eyebrow thingy. I liked everything else, so I mean, there's 5 products. I don't like one. I paid 30 bucks for everything together when it came up to $133. Can't go wrong. That concludes my unboxing, first impression, and review. There is a fly and it's driving me crazy. So that concludes my unboxing, first impressions, and review on this month's Boxycharm. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.